If you're looking for the fastest way to create custom t-shirt designs, then you have to check out the easy-to-use tools and templates available on Placeit. With Placeit, anyone can create professional, eye-catching t-shirt designs fast, even with zero prior experience. Placeit provides us with thousands of pre-made t-shirt design templates that we can easily customize to create amazing t-shirt designs. I've been using Placeit for years, and it's definitely one of my favorite platforms to use when I need to create t-shirt designs fast. So let's head over to Placeit and go over how easy it is to create custom t-shirt designs. To access Placeit and follow along, go ahead and click the link in the video description. So once you get to the Placeit homepage, go ahead and log in, and let's go to the Designs tab from the menu up top. From the drop-down menu, let's go down to Apparel and Print. From here, you can select from all sorts of clothing and items that you can create designs for. Since we want to create a new t-shirt design, let's select the T-shirt Designs option. This should take you to a page where you can view thousands of t-shirt design templates that are available on Placeit. Each template is professionally crafted and fully customizable. The text, the colors, and even the images can be changed to anything that you wish. If you're looking for a certain style of template for your design, you can use the menu on the left-hand side here. At the top, you can select from various styles of design templates that you can view, such as food t-shirts, animal t-shirts, hobby t-shirts, and tons more. And if you scroll down, you can view tons of different tags or topics that you can select from. They have pretty much anything that you can think of, from aliens to automotive, to sports, and even political t-shirt designs. For my t-shirt design example, I think I want to view some templates that are related to the topic of dogs. If we look beside the tag, we can see there's over 460 templates available. So let's click the dogs tag and check them out. Once you select a tag, the templates in your search results will all be related to that topic. So let's scroll through the dogs design templates and see if we can find one to use for my design. As you can see, they have all sorts of designs. So take your time and find one that's best for the design that you're trying to create. For my t-shirt design example, I think I'll just go with this design template here. When you select the design template, it should then be opened up in the Placeit editor. From here, you can fully customize your selected template. So first, let's start by updating the top text here. To edit my text, let's go to the text box at the top of the menu on the left-hand side. From here, feel free to type in whatever you want your text to say. When you update your text, you'll also see it update on the preview on the right. And let's go ahead and change the bottom text by using the text box here. When adding text to your t-shirt designs, try to keep it simple, short, and easy to read. If you wanted to change your text font, simply click the font tab underneath the text box that you want to change. This will open up a menu where you can select from hundreds of fonts that you can change your text to. They have pretty much any font that you may be looking for, so feel free to browse around and find the perfect font for your design. From the text box on the left, you can also change your text color by clicking the Color tab. This will open up the Colors menu where you can select any color that you wish to use for your text. When selecting the colors for your text, make sure the colors complement each other. Also, make sure you keep the shirt color in mind that you may be uploading to. For example, if you're uploading to a white shirt, you may not want to use white text. So we've gone over how to update the template text. Now let's go over how to change the graphic. But before we continue, this video is brought to you by Placeit. With Placeit, you can easily create professional content for your brand without needing any design skills. With thousands of customizable templates and their easy-to-use drag-and-drop tools, Placeit is your one-stop shop for all of your content creation needs, including t-shirt mockups, social media posts, creating logo designs, and even tons of video templates that you can easily customize. No experience is necessary to use Placeit, so go ahead and click the link in the video description to start creating awesome content for your brand. So now that I've finished updating my text, let's find a good graphic to use for my t-shirt design. From the menu on the left-hand side, let's click the Edit button from the Graphic tab. This will open up a menu where you can access the Placeit graphics library. Simply type in whatever you're looking for in the search bar here, and you'll have access to thousands of graphics that you can use for your design. If I search for cute dog, for example, Placeit will provide me with tons of results related to that topic. When you select a graphic, you'll see it automatically appear on your preview on the right. Feel free to try out some different graphics and see which one works best with your design. Once you select your graphic, you can then go back to your template and move it around and resize it as needed. So we've gone over how to find graphics in the Placeit library. Now let's go over how to upload our own graphics. If we go back to the graphics tab from the menu on the left and look all the way down at the bottom, you should see a button that says upload image. If you click this, you'll be able to search your device and open up the graphic that you want to use for your t-shirt design. You'll then see a window pop up where you can adjust your graphic size and move it around. Only the parts displayed within the square will be shown, so when you're done adjusting your image, go ahead and click the crop button. And my new graphic will be added to my template. And of course, I can then move it around and resize it as needed. When creating your t-shirt design, feel free to change things around and see what looks best. Try out different fonts, colors, graphics, and anything else that you like until you get it exactly the way you want it. Also, if you want to change your template background color, you can easily do this by clicking the background color option here. This is a great way to see how your design will look on different colored t-shirts and make sure your text and other elements show up well. If you wanted to add new text or graphics that weren't on the original template, you could easily do that as well by clicking the Add button on the menu on the left-hand side. From here, you can select to add more text or a new graphic to your template. If I click on Add Text, it'll open up a new text box up top here and add example text to my template. You can then edit your text, change the font, change the colors, and even adjust your text background. If you have a text element on your template that you don't want to display, you can easily hide it by going to the three dots icon beside the text box that you want to remove, then click the Hide tab. The selected text element will then be hidden and grayed out. If you wanted to upload an additional graphic to your design, simply go back to the Add button, then select Add Graphic. You can then browse the Placeit library for an additional graphic to add to your template, or use the button at the bottom to upload your own. Once you select or upload your image, you'll then see it appear on your template. Go ahead and resize and rearrange your new graphic into the perfect location. There we go. So once you're finished customizing your template to create your t-shirt design, the last thing we need to do before downloading is to remove the colored background. If you're going to be adding your design to t-shirts or other products, you'll need to have a transparent background. So to do this, let's look at the menu on the left-hand side and go to the Background Color tab. From the Colors menu, let's go all the way down to the bottom right, and you should see a checkered square. If you select this, your background should now be transparent. With the transparent background, I can now download my new design to add to my t-shirts. To download your design, let's go up to the top menu and click the Download button on the right-hand side. It should then start processing, and after a few seconds, your image should then be ready for download. To download your image to your device, simply click the download link here. Your new t-shirt design will then be downloaded to your computer. Now that I've downloaded my design, let's open it up and check it out. Not bad. As you can see, your designs are downloaded in super high quality. You can now add your new design to t-shirts to wear yourself or even to sell in your online store. So that's a quick overview of how to easily create t-shirt designs using Placeit. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.